Lizzy, I see you. Mommy, say hello.
Hello.
Beach day. Did I even do an intro? Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. Laguna Beach Boys' Day. I'll show you guys our outfit in a little bit because I had to be extra and give us matching outfits. Black people need sunscreen too, so we just use sunscreen all over my body. Using more just for you guys. Going down the hill.
Yeah, so you're stronger than I am.
No, you're worse off than I am. Let me move out the way for you.
Oh, I thought you said you're way stronger than I am. That's what I heard.
Alright guys, before I get into the rest of this video, I just wanted to share with you really quickly this phone case by TheLizzyO. It is a waterproof phone case for whenever you're going to the beach or the pool or anywhere that your phone can get in contact with water. This phone case is really awesome because it really protects your phone from accidental dropping or whatever. You know, you kind of want to get your phone protected, and even though it's a phone case, you can still touch your phone still responds as it would even if the phone case is not on it. You can use the camera, everything is nice. I like it so much because you can still take your pictures and they're clear. The phone pouch is not making your photos look blurry or anything like that, so that is a plus for me because when we go to the beach or the pool or anywhere, your girl is really trying to just take pictures, okay? And I like this protection. It is sealed all around and it has like 3 Ziploc bag kind of sealing, and on top of that it has another click to seal thing, so that really keeps your phone protected like if it falls in water.
We don't do fake reviews around here. Let's see how it goes. See, I'm not even scared. Look at that. I'm not even scared. Put it. Woo-wee! Woo-wee! May I not do YouTube? Hey! Why you keep screaming? Alright. I hope that... Yo! I'm gonna have to do a voiceover this video because of my baby. Anyways, I hope that has shown you guys that this stuff's kind of legit, bro.
Please check the description box for my link and use my referral code TheLizzyO to get your own waterproof phone case from TheLizzyO. Thank you, TheLizzyO. And you guys, since I have an extra one, I'll be giving away one. All you have to do to win is leave a comment down below and tell me what your favorite thing to do with family members are. Do you like going to the beach? Do you like watching movies? Just leave a comment down below.
Alright, so we're trying to get the beach chair so that I can get on the sand. I did this actually the last time we came to California for vacation. This is not a vacation, but you know, in California I might as well do the vacation life
Santa
thing.
Monica though.
So the last time we went to Santa Monica Beach, we had the beach accessible chair. That was nice. If I can find a clip, I'll insert it here because it was actually like an automated one that I didn't even need to, like I could just push it like electric. So I like that one very much. But over here they said they only have a manual one that Ame has to push, well somebody has to push with it, which is still nice because at least then you won't mess up the tires on your own personal wheelchair and you can get on the sand because the tires are very big. So I say all this to say the only reason we are not by the beach yet is because we're trying to go get the beach chair. And if you're wondering why I didn't make up to the beach, don't worry. Look how my leg is glistening from sunscreen. We're here. Laguna Beach Lifeguard. This is where we're gonna rent it. So let's go. Look at me in the mirror. There it is.
We have a new one here, don't we? So cute.
Look at it.
So
and you guys don't have the electric ones.
we don't. Actually, it's funny that you say that because I'm going to a demo in Huntington Beach on Saturday next week. I just wrote a grant to get more beach wheelchairs
and make them electric.
They're in demand. Well, yeah, I'd never heard about the electric one.
What? Santa Monica has it.
I got it from somebody who's interested in being a donor.
Oh.
So we might have one sooner than later.
Okay, that would be awesome.
Yeah.
Sure you don't want your slippers? Look at daddy's pants. Your shirt is not part of our plan, but we'll let you slide. Look at my baby swimsuit. My brown skin girl. You're gonna get some sunscreen. Your first beach? Is this our first?
Yep.
We haven't taken you to the beach at all? Not near the sign that list. Your parents cannot be living in California now, and you will not see beach and water until you are 5. So we are going. Hello. Oh yeah, turn. Okay. Turn again. Keep turning. Somebody probably drowning. They see everything. See? The water is covering that little girl and they're leaving her.
Is that crab leg?
Crab leg?
That is a good old fashioned
crab leg.
Crab leg.
Let's find some crabs and go make some broil. Hey, Zuri.
You got shades on.
I know. Wear your glasses.
It's on you?
Mean. Girl, don't pull it off. Let's do this, Zuri. Come on, you got it. You got it, girl.
In the sun.
Zuri, I'm trying to be beach baby with you. Hold on. Yay! 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 Zuri, Zuri!
Baby!
We get it. We are not in it. Ah, Zuri, Zuri. Good girl. Look at daddy. Ooh, we're cute. She doesn't want it.
Baby!
That's cute. Look at daddy's pants. And we are matchy matchy. Matchy matchy. Okay, the water is there. Look, I'm not going into the water, but it's right there. So you know we came to the beach. Hey, look at my girl. Aw, beach baby. Aww. Y'all are cute. Are you done? It is? Daddy said no water, no sand for you.
No water, no sand for you, baby.
No water, no sand. This is you're doing black people beach visitation. Ooh, look at that sun glow though. Look at views though.
Clap your hands.
We are on Laguna Canyon Road, Broadway Street, by the beach. We're done. We're gonna go get some food. Where's my face? Oh, we're gonna go get some food. Thank you for pushing. Grandma is, where's Grandma? Grandma is right there with baby.
A few moments later.
We are at TheLizzyO. It's a French restaurant. Changed. Cute outfit. Hi. Are you ready to eat? Thank you so much. Appreciate that. That looks good. That looks really good.
Cheers. Ice cold, fresh blended, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I'll let you guys know about our pizza.
So this clam chowder is officially the best clam chowder I've had. You want more?
Yeah, that's some good.
It's loaded too.
You want more bread? Okay, thank you. Swirl design over
What's
there.
it? Wow. Ooh.
That creamy sauce on the right will be great when you mix with the noodles. Okay.
My food looks good. It's very well presented. Okay. Prayer time.
Father, we thank you. We thank you for this food. We thank you for this day. Father, bless this food for us as we take it. Make it for the nourishment of every soul. In Jesus' name.
Amen. Let me see yours, mommy. Is that the sea bass on top?
Yep.
It looks so well done. Fettuccine.
Stuffing turtle. So that's steak and lobster.
And like clams and shrimp. So it's like seafood and steak.
But mine has everything.
Yeah.
Michelle and all of that.
Everything that has a shell.
I'll let you eat and tell me. See how she's pulling it. Okay, food was good and we're done and we're leaving. Well guys, so we're home. The beach was fun. I hope you guys like videos like this. Let me know. Laguna Beach was actually nice. It was really too crowded though. I'm gonna be honest. Like it was so crowded. I was like, why are all these people here? Anyways, that's it you guys. And our family swimsuits are all from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description box so you can click that directly to the swimsuits that we are wearing. What else do I want to say? Yeah, so that is it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I don't know if you should share it, but do whatever you will with the video. Okay guys, bye. Hi, somebody's parents. Beach day. Where's the baby? Somewhere. Oh, somewhere. You think you're gonna be fly by the beach, sir, without your baby? Go get your baby.